Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have a Google account, so sign in now, open the Google Sheets app or navigate to Sheets. Google, com in your mobile browser. Tap the app icon to launch it and make sure you grant storage and account permissions so files can open and save. Once done, the Home or Recent view appears. This is where you'll find files quickly. If you prefer Drive, open the Google Drive app next. Both routes let you access the same spreadsheets. Once your file list is visible, find the spreadsheet via Recent, Starred, or Drive folders and tap it to open. This loads within seconds, depending on connection. To edit, tap any cell, use the on-screen keyboard, and access the toolbar for formulas, formatting, and insert options. Long press a row or column header to select and act on ranges. Make sure to enable offline access for important files so edits save locally and sync when you reconnect, preventing data loss. When you finish, note that Google Sheets autosaves continuously. Watch the syncing status near the title to confirm changes are uploaded. To share, tap the Share button, enter email addresses, and choose editor or viewer permissions so collaborators can work with you. Use link sharing for broader access. If a spreadsheet fails to open, update the app, restart your phone, or clear the app cache. These steps resolve most issues and restore normal access quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.